today?
Oh no!
I don't want to.
I know. Why don't you make pav-bhaji then?
Hey, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I can do that. Pav-Bhaji is a great idea. Let's go. Pav-Bhaji literally means bread and vegetables. And it is such a favorite in our house. It's a popular street food in India, and the vendor that we used to go to as kids added so many vegetables to the dish that we would never feel guilty eating there. For my preparation, I also try to use as many red vegetables as possible, like cherry tomatoes and red bell peppers. This will give the bhaji, the vegetables, a nice deep red color. I'm going to use my instant pot for this preparation. Start out by turning on the saute mode on the instant pot. Wait for it to turn hot. And then once it turns hot, add in the butter. I'm going to reserve a tablespoon of salted butter for later and start out by sizzling 3 tablespoons of butter in the hot pot, and then add in the ginger garlic paste and green chilies almost immediately. We're not going to brown any of this. Just for about 15 seconds or so after sauteing the green chilies and the ginger garlic paste, I'm going to add in the cherry tomatoes. Along with the cherry tomatoes, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of pav-bhaji masala. This together is going to create a nice tempering base for the vegetables to come in later. And now for the part that makes this dish so quick and easy. I'm going to literally dump all my vegetables in the instant pot except for the green peas. I'm just gonna keep mixing it together just so that nothing settles at the bottom and all the vegetables are nicely mixed in. Look at that, no cooking required other than dumping everything in the instant pot. I love it. I mean, look at those pretty colors these vegetables bring in. It is such a pretty dish to make, and the nutrition value that these vegetables bring in is just off the charts. Now, once all the vegetables are dumped and mixed in thoroughly, I'm going to add in about half the salt that I have taken. I can always fix it later. And then also in goes the chili pepper. Now, the chili pepper is completely optional. The pav-bhaji masala has a good amount of chilies in it, so you can avoid if you want. In goes about 2 tablespoons of water, and then the pot gets closed, and I'm going to pressure cook these vegetables for about 8 minutes. Now, if you don't have an instant pot, it is totally okay. You can use this entire recipe as it is in a regular pressure cooker. Just wait for 2 whistles and release the pressure immediately. And for the instant pot, we first cancel the saute mode and then hit the pressure cook or manual mode and then pressure cook these vegetables for 8 minutes. Once the timer goes off, I'm going to manually release the pressure. I do not want the vegetables to be thoroughly cooked. Now, with the help of my potato masher, I'm going to roughly mash up the vegetables together. They are cooked but not well cooked, just as I want. In go the green peas and the remaining pav-bhaji masala. I'm going to continue mashing this up roughly till all the peas are broken and incorporated well, and then in goes the remaining butter that we had reserved earlier. At this point, the vegetables are ready. We're gonna pair them with dinner rolls or pav. And I'm going to roast these dinner rolls with a combination of softened butter and a pinch of pav-bhaji masala to add a little zing to them. Really, these vegetables are just as delicious with chapati or paratha, but dinner rolls and bhaji or these vegetables are a classic combination. Roasted from both the sides. We want the nice buttery goodness to come through, and then it's all ready. Garnish it with some raw onions and cilantro. Add a dash of lemon if you want. Enjoy!
Don't forget to like and subscribe and download our app from the App Store or Google Play.